How's it going, Joey? How's it going, Patrick? Welcome back, guys. Oh, waiting for next break. Gotcha. So this is the Facebook camera and this is the YouTube camera. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and count out the box, or the packs out of the box. We got 12 cello packs in our box. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. There's our empty box. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Wish everybody luck. Alright, we have a Logan Thomas, Josh Allen Pride, Jared Goff, Gabe Davis, Derek Carr, Rashad Penny, Justin Jefferson. Our first rookie is a Drake London for the Falcons. Akim Ekwonu, green Mosaic Scary Terry for the Commanders. A little peek on the first pink is a Viking, Andrew Booth Jr., Keenan Allen. And our rookie pink is a Brian Cook. Then CeeDee Lamb Bang. Green Mosaic Thunder Lane Tyreek Hill. And then our kid reporter. Alright, time for our second pack. Alright, we have silver on the back of this one. Isaac Bruce, Drake London debut, this time for the Falcons. Falcons now with both versions of that Drake London. Going out to Benjamin, Laramie Tunsil, Robert Quinn, Fred Taylor, Tristan Wirfs, Drew Brees, Sam Williams, Mike Woods, Green Mosaic, Christian Watson. Nice color match for the Packers. Got the green on the green for Cameron. And then our first pink going out to the Giants, Kayvon Thibodeau, Donovan McNabb. 2 rookie pinks in this one. Keontae Ingram for our second one. Will to win, Zach Wilson. And then our silver is a Tony Romo silver for the Cowboys. Who has the Cowboys in this one? Brad. Nice hit for Brad. Some are fans of Romo, some are not. Alright, Cello pack number 3. Jacoby Myers, Dallas Goedert, Darren Waller, Tom Brady Super Bowl MVP, Joe Namath, Devin Singletary, Warren Moon, rookie Kyle Hamilton, Fedarian Mathis, green Brad Johnson for the Bucks, Jameis Winston pink, Chris Jones pink, and a Trent McDuffie. Joe Mixon bang for the Bengals. And a green Mosaic Thunder Lane Jamar Chase. Leonard Fournette, Alvin Kamara, Cooper Kupp, DeForest Buckner, Josh Allen, Brandon Cooks, rookie Cameron Thomas, Tristan Ebner, hollow Mosaic Arnold Ebiketie, green color match for the Jets on the Joe Namath, Tony Romo pink, Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. We have a Titans rookie Hassan Haskins, Hall of Fame Roger Staubach, and then our green Mosaic Joe Mixon bang. Some greens for the Bengals early. We'll see what we can find for you, Joseph. I find the best way to bring some good luck is just talking about them, bringing them, speaking those things into existence has helped a lot in this group. I know sometimes it's all about what's in the packs, but I don't know. We've had really good luck, just kind of for those that have good chat and they're vocal. I don't know. It seems like they hit better, so I don't know. We've spoken a lot of good cards into existence here. Including a stained glass Kenny Pickett a couple weeks back. That was crazy. Denzel Ward. John Elway Super Bowl MVP. Brandon Cooks, Tony Gonzalez, Russell Wilson, Jalen Ramsey, DK Metcalf, Cam Taylor-Britt, George Pickens, there he is. Got Commanders, Antonio Gibson on the green, Jalen Naylor pink for the Vikings. We got some Steelers color here for you. Just talking about it, and we found him. Chase Claypool, not who we were looking for. And then a Kyer Elam for the Bills. Thunder Lane Najee. Little Steelers insert, and then a will to win Mac Jones. Yeah, that caught me off guard too. I mean, Claypool. I mean, that just shows you there's how far ahead they print these things, but then they don't get released on time. And yeah, so actually these things were printed in September of 22. So I can't remember when he was traded, but I think it was after that. Tom Brady Super Bowl MVP. James Conner. TJ Hawkinson. Jim Kelly. Jonathan Taylor. Josh Jacobs. Quandre Diggs. Tyler Algier. James Cook. Green Mosaic, A.J. Brown, a little color match there for the Eagles. Eagles going out to Ronald. Green or pink on the Packers, Samori Torrey. Seahawks with the Quandre Diggs pink. Rookie pink is an Evan Neal for the Giants. Hall of Fame, John Elway. And Thunder Lane, Cooper Kupp. Alright, looks like we're halfway there, guys. 6 cellos down, 6 to go. We've had a couple blue fluorescents lately out of these cello packs, so I'm actually think we're due for a Genesis. Yeah, they've done a pretty good job with most of the brands this year by making some improvements. I like the aesthetic look of them a little better than last year. James Conner, Trayvon Walker. I mean, I haven't seen a whole lot of defects, either like miscuts or bubbles as compared to last year. Jordan Poyer, Matt Ryan, Joe Burrow, Aaron Donald, Drew Lock, Tyquan Thornton, Cam Taylor-Britt. Green Mosaic is a Bill Von Miller. Pink is Evan Neal. Jonathan Allen on the pink. Rookie pink is a Sam Williams for the Cowboys. Eric Dickerson, a Hall of Fame. And then we have a Holo Mosaic Will to Win Matthew Stafford. Alright, no problem, Dwayne. Have a good evening. We'll see what Broncos we can find for you. Brian Burns, Joe Montana, Harold Landry, Jamal Williams, Devin Singletary, Jerry Rice, Ty Law, Charlie Kolar, Bailey Zappi. Green is a Patrick Mahomes, Super Bowl MVP. Chiefs on the pink as well. Brian Cook, Dalvin Cook, Damian Pierce pink, nice rookie for the Texans. Nice hit there for you, Anthony. Thunder Lane Devontae, and then a Holo Mosaic Michael Strahan Hall of Fame. Malik Willis debut. Lawrence Taylor, Warren Moon, Mike Ditka, Carson Wentz, Elijah Moore, Allen Robinson, Daxton Hill, Sauce Gardner for the Jets. Green rookie Sky Moore for the Chiefs. Pink on the Cardinals, Keontae Ingram. Chris Godwin. And then we have a Roger McCreary pink rookie. Touchdown Masters Aaron Rodgers and a green Mosaic Thunderlane Debo. We've had some of the other case hits lately, but we haven't hit a Genesis in a while. I feel like we're due for one of those. Last year we hit some of the good quarterback rookies, and we had the stained glass Kenny, but I feel like we're due for a nice rookie Genesis. Last night we hit the silver Brock Purdy. That was pretty good looking card. Had trouble hitting him for the most part. And as early as they printed them, you think there'd be abundance of Purdy rookies in there. But does not seem to be the case. Alright, we got 3 Cellos left. Garrett Wilson debut for the Jets. Hines Ward. T-Law Pride. AJ Terrell. David Montgomery. Clinton Portis. Devontae Smith. Tyrion Davis Price. Brian Cook. Our green is a James Cook for the Bills. Another pink for the Chiefs. Sky Moore pink. Clinton Portis. We have a silver coming up. Derek Stingley Jr. Hall of Fame Warren Moon. And then our silver is also a Chiefs. Mecole Hardman Jr. Chiefs having a heck of a break. Alright, Cameron, you got your own stand over here, my man. You got the Mahomes, green, 2 Sky Moores, and then a silver Mecole Hardman. Darren Waller, Sean Alexander, Harrison Smith, Justin Fields Pride. He did. Brian Burns. Yeah, Sky Moore had a pretty good game last night. Looked good. Peyton Manning, Chad Johnson, Charlie Collar, Bailey Zappi. Green Mosaic is a Drew Brees Super Bowl MVP. And then we have our pinks, Eli Manning, Barry Sanders, and Broncos, Russell Wilson on the pink. That one going out to Dwayne. And Touchdown Masters, Kyler Will to win, Zach Wilson. Yeah, we started that first pack out with that green Tyreek, and then it just kind of never really found him again. Not so good for a few teams. Alright guys, we're going to finish strong with the, looks like a Genesis there in the middle. We're going to finish strong with our last pack, Magic. Antoine Winfield Jr. So I have been doing a contest with this Mosaic. With the case hit, if you could name the player and the team, I will give you $5 worth of break credit for a future break. So everybody want to get their guess in, go ahead. I'll save that Genesis for the last card in the pack. Give you guys a little bit to get your guesses in. Joseph is going Pickett. I like it. So we got the J. Jeff Pride for the Vikings. Justin Simmons. Josh Allen. Scary Terry for the Commanders. Keyshawn Johnson. Lewis Sign. Dwayne jumps back in and says Wilson. I like it. Tyquan Thornton. Alright, here we go. Save that card for last. Alright, I see 6 viewers. I don't know if everybody wants to get a guess in, but a couple more moments. Jamal Williams, green Mosaic. And you don't have to be in the break to qualify out any viewer. If you guys want to get your guess in, that's fine. Fedarian Mathis on the pink. Joey Bosa for the Chargers. Rookie pink is a Jameson Williams. Nice hit there for the Lions. We'll get that one up on the stand in a second. Touchdown Masters, Nick Chubb. Hollow Mosaic, Touchdown Masters, Cooper Kupp. Joey's going Herbert. Sammy's got his Fields guess in there like always. Alright, so looks like I got it the right way. Our Genesis case hit out of our last pack Magic is a Derrick Henry. Not a bad one. Not a rookie, but got an elite running back for the Titans. Who has the Titans? Joe. Nice hit for Joe. I had a feeling we were due for that Genesis, guys. Alright, let me sleeve a couple cards up, and then I do have not much, but I do have a little bonus for you guys tonight. Running a little low on fat packs, so I had busted open some blasters. Got a couple blaster packs here for you. And then we'll do our normal hit breakdown after that. Yeah, I noticed that Joseph, you had the Mosaic Blaster break at 9:30, so one more chance of redemption on that Kenny Pickett. Alright, here's our bonus packs. Robert Tonyan, Luke Kuechly, Carson Wentz, Jeffrey Simmons, Derwin James Jr., Trey Hendrickson, Odell Beckham Jr., John Randall, Gabe Davis. We got the bust, Jerome Bettis, Devontae Smith, Devontae Wyatt, Majai Sanders, Tyler Batty, Bailey Zappi, Jalen Petrie, Andrew Booth Jr. We have a potential Kayvon Thibodeau for the Giants. Celebration, Justin Herbert. And we have a sack attack, Cameron Jordan. Treylon Burks for the Titans. And we got a little star parallel here on the back. Nice little Jalen Phillips for the Dolphins. There we go, Patrick. Nothing crazy, but coming up with some numbered action out of the bonus pack. 287 out of 399 on the score star parallel. Alright, last bonus pack. Absolute. And this is a blaster pack, so there is potential for a kaboom here. And I've said it time and time again. We've opened too many blasters not to hit a kaboom, so we're due. And it's probably going to happen in one of these bonus packs. Elijah Moore, Trevor Lawrence, Darnell Mooney, Devontae Smith, Robbie Anderson, Tyler Lockett. Rookies are Kennedy Brooks for the Eagles, Romeo Dupes for the Packers. We have a Devin Lloyd. Green foil is a Patrick Surtain II for the Broncos. And then we have a draft diamonds, Terrell Davis also for the Broncos. It's not too bad for a little couple freebie packs. Alright guys, now I'm going to break down the hits from the night. Alright, Patrick Surtain on the green foil, Terrell Davis draft diamonds, Bailey Zappi score rookie, Fedarian Mathis pink camo, Touchdown Masters Cooper Kupp on the hollow, Bailey Zappi Mosaic base, Russell Wilson pink camo, Touchdown Masters Kyler, James Cook green, Derek Stingley Jr. pink, Malik Willis debut, Sauce Gardner, Keontae Ingram pink, Roger McCreary pink, Green Mosaic Thunderlane Debo, Bailey Zappi, Brian Cook, Hall of Fame Michael Strahan, Von Miller green, Evan Neal pink, Sam Williams pink, Hall of Mosaic Will to Win Matthew Stafford, Samari Torrey pink, Evan Neal, AJ Brown on the green color match. I do have you in here, Jay. You have Ravens and Browns in this one. George Pickens, Jalen Naylor pink, Chase Claypool pink, Kyer Elam pink, Thunderlane Najee, Hassan Haskins on the pink, Arnold Ebiketie on the hollow mosaic, Joe Namath green color match, Tony Romo pink, Joe Mixon green bang, Trent McDuffie, Thunderlane Jamar on the green, Drake London debut, Kayvon Thibodeau pink, Keontae Ingram, Donovan McNabb pink, Drake London, Andrew Booth Jr., another Brian Cook on the pink, the first pack green mosaic Thunderlane Tyreek for the Dolphins. We kind of start and stop with those Dolphins. Started off with the Tyreek and ended with that Jalen Phillips. Alright, for the right stand we have the Dameon Pierce pink true rookie for the Texans. The true Jameson Williams pink camo for the Lions. A lot of trues, not so many debuts. That's always nice. Christian Watson on the green color match. You either love him or you hate him, Tony Romo silver. Sky Moore pink. Mecole Hardman Jr. silver. We had the other Sky Moore here in the green, which both of those are the true rookies. No debuts on those either. Mahomes green Super Bowl MVPs. Jalen Phillips out of the Score bonus pack 287 out of 399 on the star parallel. And then we had the case hit come out of Cello pack number 12. Derrick Henry Genesis for the Titans. Congrats to Tennessee on that one. You always love to see those Genesis pop out of those Cello boxes. Alright guys, that's it for our break 383 from eBay. Appreciate you guys' support, and we have some absolute Fanatics blasters coming up next at 8 o'clock, and then we have another Mosaic blaster break at 9:30. So if you guys are in those breaks, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. If not, I'll see you guys later, and make sure to be checking the Facebook page. We posted a pick your team break. If anybody's interested, take a look at that. Still a lot of good teams left, and I'll catch you guys later.